Today we're going to the science world and the mall. Yay! I'm going to try showing you everything I see so it feels like you're here with me.